What's up, everybody? I hope you are doing well on this beautiful, beautiful day. Today, we're going to be talking about lessons that we learned from a hair system and how it applies to other aspects of life. I started this series because I felt like we've been talking a lot about hair systems, but my passion is about building better men. Hair loss, hair systems can be a part of that in terms of identity and confidence, but gosh, it goes so far beyond it and so much deeper. So today, I wanted to talk to you about the power of authenticity. Being authentic means that you are showing up completely genuine to who and what you are. With hair systems, I think this is an issue that we all have to face, right? There is the issue that we face of being bald and having hair loss, but also the opportunity to restore this identity of having hair, right? And in that process, we can get so absorbed in the fact that we have hair back that we forget that we are actually dealing with male pattern baldness or alopecia or whatever it might be. And here's the thing, right? It can become very easy to get absorbed and I have hair, this is my identity, this is who I am, it has to be perfect, nobody can know about it, I don't want anybody to know about it, I can't talk about it, you know, all of this stuff, right, that we just kind of go on and on about. There's so many people that are afraid to show up and be honest about how they feel. Now there's nothing wrong with not wanting to tell somebody that you have hair loss, that you're wearing a hair system. And I'm not saying that you should go and shout it from the mountaintops. Here is what I'm saying though. When hair systems become something that you're afraid of other people finding out about, when you're afraid of them finding out about your hair loss, that can actually hold you back. That is something that can hold you in anxiety. It can hold you in mental anguish. It is only when we release that and we're free to be authentic, to be genuine, to be real, that this stuff starts to leave us and it starts to fade into the background, right? So what does that look like in everyday life? For me, and I'm not anyway perfect in this, I try to be authentic in many different ways. First, on this channel, I'm not trying to produce overproduced content, right? I'm not trying to create something that's gonna be on TV. I'm trying to show you who I am. Even the fact of like the way that I talk, right? Sometimes I come on here and I'm tired, right? Like I have other work that I'm doing. I'm tired from that, I make a video. Sometimes I just get out of the gym, I make a video. My hair doesn't look good. Sometimes I haven't showered in, a day and a half and my hair is looking a little or I've just gotten up and my hair is a little And some people, they're okay, they come on the channel and they wanna say, hey, your hair looks like crap, But here's the thing, right? Like I'm trying to show you every single aspect of my life and how it is having a hair system with that. I'll show you the days that I don't look good. I'll show you the days that I look great. Today, I'm feeling really, really good about the way that I look. I took a shower this morning, God forbid. I had a good hair day and we're just jamming. We're just jamming together. So, I'm not afraid to show you what my good days and my bad days look like. In real life, I am okay. I'm okay with telling people about my hair system, and I do. I don't go around and televise it to the entire world, although that's something that's changing with some big news that's coming up for you in the next couple weeks. But here's the thing, I am okay with my friends knowing that I have a hair system. When I moved out to Utah, I've told many people about my hair loss situation, about my hair system, and they know this about me. I haven't hidden my identity with this YouTube channel. I put my name directly out there. If anybody searches my name online, they're going to find me. It's just plain as day, and I've done that very, very intentionally. It's because I want you to see that I am comfortable and that I'm okay with being authentic. But I get it. Being authentic is really scary sometimes, right? When we actually can compartmentalize our life so that way with this group of people, we're this person and we know that's safe. With this group of people, we're this way and we know that's safe. And this group of people over here, we know that's safe if we're like this. But if we mingle or cross-pollinate these aspects of ourselves with different other groups, it can be really scary because we don't know if it's gonna be accepted. I know with my CrossFit group, my CrossFit tribe, if I'm talking about fitness, guess what? I know it's going to be safe. They're going to be okay with that. If I'm talking about men's health, men's issues, hair loss, I'm not so sure if they're going to think I'm wacky, weird, or zany. With my crypto people, and we're talking about Bitcoin, ETH, we're talking about NFTs, I know that I'm relatively safe and I can jam with them on that. But can I talk to them about fitness and their life habits? You know, I don't know. And they might get offended with that. But here's what I've realized is only when we can cross-pollinate, right? We can actually go from this group of people to this group of people and talk about ourselves in our fullness, that we start liberating not only ourselves, but other people, right? Like, I'm not one-dimensional. I'm not just my fitness aspect of my life. I'm not just my hair loss, hair system, Jake Kent YouTube thing. I'm not just my crypto identity. All of these personalities are intertwined. And when I can talk about them freely and flow from one subject to another with ease and grace, man, I can just show up the way that I am and who I am. And that's a liberating feeling, and that's what I want for you. Because holding back or feeling like you have to hide something or not talk about something or not reveal something, man, it can be hard on the soul. And our soul wants to show up in fullness. It wants to show up in fullness. It wants to continue expressing in all of its vibrancy and all of its color, and to limit that color palette of our personality or our interests to only a couple shades or hues. Man, that's like being colorblind. And guess what? I'm colorblind, and that sucks. I can't see red and greens the way that other people can. And it is an active problem inside of my life. Maybe it's an active problem inside of my or somebody else's life if we're not showing up in all of our fullness. So I encourage you to try and be more authentic. It doesn't mean going out and telling everybody on a soapbox that you wear a hair system and you're dealing with hair loss. What it means is showing up and being confident that your identity matters, that the right people will be attracted to you, and that the wrong people will go on their merry way. I hope this is encouraging to you. I love this series so much. I'm so passionate about working with men in the future. If I'm not like talking business right here, but if that's something that's interesting to you, like men's work, actually talking about becoming better men, shoot me a DM, shoot me an email, write down in the comments. I'd love to talk with you and just be like, what does that look like for us, right? Like, how do we go about doing that kind of work? Anyways, hope you're well. We'll talk soon.